So over here, you can see that I have a Google Drawing file. And if you want to have access to this drawing file, even when you're not connected to the internet, then you can make the file available offline. So one of the ways to do that is to go to your Google Drive itself, and then you can go around, right click on the file that you want to make available offline. And over here, you can see available offline is an option which you can turn on. And once you do that, what happens is that the file becomes available offline and you see a check mark right here. Another thing that you can also do to make it available offline is by opening up the file right here and by going on to the file menu, and over here you can see make available offline is an option. Once you click on this, what happens is that it says the document is now available offline. So even if you're disconnected from the internet, what happens is that the file is still available to you. So if I were to go around and scroll down, so let me just scroll down over here, you will be able to see that you see the tick mark on the second file as well. And again, of course, if you don't want it to make it available offline anymore, you can right click and turn it off right here, or you can go around over here and then just go around. So if you were to make this available offline, it's checked out, as you can see. But if you don't want it anymore, you can uncheck it out just like this. And that is how you can make a file available offline inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.